What's up, Buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden evening? This is my 370Z, and a lot of you have been asking a lot of comments in my previous videos of like, where is the 370Z? What's happening with it? What are the plans? Did you sell it? No, I did not sell it. It's still there. So I have this, and I have my Mercedes AMG chilling outside the garage because I can't park two cars in one garage because my roommates park here. But I'll show you guys that in another video, but in this video we're just gonna focus. I can't even speak English. We're gonna focus on this golden piece of engineering. Now, to the observant viewer, you know this thing is on jack stand. And that's because I'm trying to change the subframe of this thing. I was driving the other day and my wheel, because the subframe had some damage from, I think, the previous owner. And I had no idea, but when the mechanics and everyone let me know about it, they were gonna charge me $1,500 to replace it, and I said I was gonna do it myself. But there's a big problem with that because I thought I could drive it for a while, but as I was driving the other day, my wheel literally almost fell off. I don't have a flashlight, but if you guys look there, you would see where the subframe damage is and where why the wheel almost fell off, because the control arm that's connected there pretty much started vibrating there, and it was the most terrifying thing ever. And so that's like on two different sides as well, and so that's just a disaster. So I'm getting a new subframe, and I have a subframe, but I'm stuck somewhere, which I need you guys' help. If you guys have any way that can help me in any way, I would appreciate it, because I'm stuck changing the subframe. It's been a lot of fun, like working and getting to know more about the car, but I'm stuck with the exhaust, silly exhaust bolt. Let me show you guys. So I began changing the I have to take out the exhaust in order to access and I've already taken out a bunch of stuff, because I had to take out this V-brace thingy that holds, and the kidney brace as well that's over there. I took that out. I'm about to take out the e-brake lines and a bunch of other stuff, but I'm stuck because for everything to come on, I need to take out this exhaust. And so I've never, in case you guys didn't know, my exhaust is actually mostly stock. The only modification I have is the catalytic converters, which have been removed, but I've never taken out these before. So I was able to take out 1, 2, 3, but this silly fourth one is just, the bolt has been stripped. And so if you guys know of any way that I could take this out, please let me know. And I've literally done everything. And when I mean everything, I've almost tried literally almost everything, because I've tried to get like these sockets. I'll show you what they are. Hold on. Let's get in here. Nope, I locked it. Okay. So these sockets, I'm gonna get in focus. Okay. Oh, is in focus? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so these sockets help to, come on, open. Okay. So these sockets are supposed to help me to remove the stuck-on bolts, but they have literally not been of any help whatsoever. If you notice, these things have like grooves inside, and so it's supposed to help me to take out, they're like not the regular lug nuts, and so they're supposed to help me take out, or not regular sockets, they're supposed to help me take out the strip bolt, but I cannot do that, and so I am stuck. I've also tried a few other things as well. I've tried using heat as well to heat up the bolt, and it still won't come off. I mean, I didn't use a lot of heat. I just use a little bit of, I don't know, you guys should tell me if I need to use a bigger flame torch thing. I'll show you guys the one I used. Hold on. This was the one that I used. So I'll show you guys exactly what I did. So I took this and did that, but still nothing. I'm trying to see if I can find like a Dremel to cut the bolt or get the bolt free, but if you guys have any ideas of how to get this bolt free, please let me know in the comments below, because I literally don't know, and I haven't driven this thing for about a month now just because of that issue, and it's just been, I mean, it's been fun driving the Mercedes and everything, and I'm gonna get to that as well, but it's just not the same without this car. It's been so sad. What's that? I mean, but yeah, if you guys have any, so it's just gonna remain on jack stands. It drives perfectly, and I'm also gonna be replacing the what's it called? What's the thing that links the steering to the tires? I forgot what it was called, but maybe I might type it in the comments or in the video in post-production. but I forgot what it's called. But I need to change that. Ooh, the rack and pinion. Yes, I need to change the rack and pinion, the steering rack and pinion, because the steering was a little bit wobbly. Long story, but yeah. But this is the main thing that I need to focus on now, and I cannot progress or make any progress if I don't take out the exhaust. So if you guys know any way to take it out, please let me know. But yeah, the car is literally just sitting, waiting to be driven, and it's sad. It's so sad. And I'm gonna make a full video later of when I take this thing out of how to replace the subframe of a 370Z, because you literally have to think about everything: the drive shaft, the kidney brace, the W brace, the suspension, literally everything you have to take apart. The brakes, everything from the rear you have to drop in order to take out the subframe. And so I've done most of that, but that exhaust is just holding me back. But while that is happening, I'm gonna show you guys what is up with my Mercedes and the plans for my Mercedes. That's gonna be in the next video, because while this is pending, I still want to continue with the Mercedes because I have golden plans for that. So in the next video, you guys will see exactly what I plan for that Mercedes, because it's gonna be so good. The golden AMG, that sounds glorious. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video. Yeah, and hopefully we can figure something out of how to get rid of that silly bolt that's stripped. That's pretty much it, guys. It's a 14mm bolt. I'm just gonna give you guys a lot more. And it's pretty much all rounded off, and I've tried everything and it can't come off. And if you have anything, just let me know in the comment section to try out to remove that silly bolt. That's pretty much it, guys. Have an amazingly golden evening/night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!